Healthcare is expensive, so more people today are turning to nature's cures to stay healthy. Many natural cures are derived from plants and resources that can be sustainably harvested, making them an eco-friendly alternative to pharmaceuticals, which can have a higher environmental footprint in terms of production and waste. Many plants contain bioactive compounds with therapeutic properties that will help you and your family live a healthier life. So today we're kicking things off with the author of You Can't Outrun Your Fork, holistic functional doctor Anya Szigeti, with simple and delicious ways to incorporate one of nature's cures into your daily regimen. All right, welcome. It's so great to see you.
Thank you, Gail. Great to be here again.
So we're talking about apple cider vinegar, and it's such a cure-all.
Yes, it is. Apple cider vinegar, especially when you get the raw organic with the mother, so that stuff you kind of see floating in it, it is just chock full of enzymes and beneficial bacteria for your gut health. The benefits of it are numerous.
And today you're actually making a salad dressing, correct?
Yes.
That we can bring in some of the beautiful greens that we were talking about earlier that are so important for healing our bodies.
Yes, this salad dressing, when you put it on just some simple greens, is going to cover my foundational four. You're going to get some plant-based fiber, you're going to eat the rainbow, you're going to get some healthy fats, and you're going to get some high-quality protein as well.
Okay, how do we get started?
So if you want to go ahead and just chop up some of the parsley.
All right.
So I just grabbed some fresh parsley and just pulled off a couple of the leaves from that. And then we're just going to cut that up. You can literally use any herb that you have. I love having fresh herbs in my garden, on my, if you don't have a garden area, you can just use the windowsill in your house or your porch. A great way to get just some fresh vegetables and nutrients into your daily regimen as well.
What are some of your staples when it comes to greens that you incorporate?
One of my favorites is microgreens, which I actually put on our salad today as well. These you can actually grow inside very, very easily, and they're powerhouses of nutrients. So radish greens or broccoli greens or some of the sprouts are some of the best ways to get tons and tons of nutrients in a very small portion.
Okay. Have I fine enough?
Those look great.
Okay.
So if you want to go ahead and pour in the apple cider vinegar, we're going to mix in this jar here today. So that's about a half cup of apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to do an equal part of olive oil. And we were just chatting about your travels to Italy. Always want to get some nice olive oil. I'm sure you had lots when you were over there.
Oh, yes.
It's fantastic. Lots of health benefits of that. If you want to go ahead and throw the herbs in there, yep, throw that all in there. And again, we use parsley today, but you could use cilantro or rosemary, whatever fresh herbs you have. Basil is fantastic as well. And then I'm just going to put in 2 tablespoons of honey. And so this is just going to give a little bit of sweetness. When you use like a local honey, you actually get a lot more benefits because it helps with like seasonal allergies and different things like that. Honey has some great enzymes to it. But again, you want to get raw, local, ideally. It's literally impossible to get true organic honey because the bees are going wherever the bees want to go.
You can't keep track of those guys.
No, so that's a challenge, but the local is ideal so that you get the benefits of the seasonal allergies. Yeah,
I actually got to be a beekeeper for the day. It's one of the local attractions that you can do here in the Tampa Bay area.
Oh, fantastic.
I mean, I tell you, I ended up buying some of that local honey.
So good.
So good. The Tampa bees are producing some pretty good, pretty good honey.
Yes, there definitely is a difference for sure. So now we have our 4 ingredients in here. We just give it a quick shake. Simple as that. So then you have a nice, delicious vinaigrette. We have our amazing little salads here.
And you look at it like you've controlled all the ingredients. That was so simple to put together. You and I did that in just a matter of minutes.
Yes, exactly. And so, you know, when I hear people say, oh, you can just grab some dressing from the store. The dressing from the store, unfortunately, even if it says organic on it, it's going to have inflammatory oils in it. It's going to have a lot of ingredients that just are not healthy for us. And so we were able to make this so quickly. This keeps I keep in the refrigerator and then just sit it out for a few minutes so that the olive oil comes to room temperature. And then you have this delicious salad dressing that was simple to make. You can customize it for your palate. Sometimes I'll throw in some garlic, some fresh garlics. I love garlic. If you want to make sure your partner's
Yeah.
eating it too,
Yeah.
so you both can smell like garlic. But yes, so delicious and so easy.
This is absolutely incredible. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you sharing this with us. Just more nature's cures. We're going to share Dr. Anya's recipe and advice on bloomtampabay.com.